Hi all, welcome to MTP Academy. My name is Murugesh. In this particular video, we are going to discuss on two things. One is market outlook for the next week, and second one is how to find out a good stock to trade in a in a uptrend and downtrend also. There is a method called stop down analysis, and we'll discuss on that. Uh, we'll first discuss how to select a good stock to buy or sell. Okay, we call this as a top down approach of a market. Top down analysis is nothing but first we have to analyze the world market like US, Japan, Germany, Korea, how those markets are doing, whether those are bullish or bearish. Is there any crisis in the market? Is there any bad news or what kind of information? So based on that, we have to consider that also while doing the top down analysis. Second, India index, Nifty, Bank Nifty, how they are working, whether those are bullish or bearish or in a sideway. Okay, and third point is a sector view. If world market is good, India market is good, then we have to find out a bullish sector where we can find a good stock to to buy and hold. If in case the situation is reverse, for example, in a corona time, world market is completely bearish, Indian market is completely bearish. In that time, we have to find out a weak sector and choose a weak stock to sell. Okay, we have to as a trader we need to be ready for trading uptrend and downtrend also, right? So this is how we are finding a good stock actually. Okay, let's move to a world market for this particular week, how it is working. Okay, yes, if in case we are looking into the country here, US market, you know there is no that kind of a weakness, right? Because if you observe here, uh, last week RSI 70, and even though this week also it is holding the same range, and there is no much difference in the price also. That means we all know that Indian market is for more than 2%, but with respect to global market, US, Germany, Japan, it is stable actually. That means first, a point which we need to, which we consider in the top down approach or analysis, okay, that is stable. Okay, with respect to some top stocks of a US market, those are also stable. There is no that much fall, only except Tesla, uh, and Facebook. Remaining all the stocks are stable. And next, move to the Indian market. Yes, Nifty, Sensex, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, all are fall more than a 2%. Okay, and compared to previous week RSI and this week RSI, there is a difference. That means there is a bearishness in the market. Okay, this is a sector performance last week and this week. What is the difference? How much percent is all the sectors are fall. Energy 7%, PSC 9%, auto 4%, PSU bank 8%, reality more than 10%, and media is more than 12%. Okay, only IT, FMCG, okay, and pharma are holding the particular range. These are the not that much bearishness for, and we know that pharma and uh, IT are the defensive sectors when Nifty is falling, and these used to be go up or hold their price. Analyze two sectors where how to find a good stock. I am taking an example of REC PFC because I have traded last year, and even though now also I am trading those, but in a different view. I'll explain those. Okay. First, discuss the Indian market with a chart. Sensex, okay, holding weekly and monthly RSI above 60, but okay, still it is not that much bearish. And if it is break below 14 daily, then we can consider that there is a weakness in market. Okay, Nifty, yes, it's daily it came down with our big candle actually. And if it is not holding a 40 RSI, then we can see a weakness in Nifty also. And there is a trend line here. If it is breakdown, then we can see a further fall in the Nifty also. Fin Nifty, yes, there is a big window here or a gap, that act as a resistance, and it's came down from that. Okay, and it rejected weekly and daily from a 60. Okay, that means this may go further sideway or a fall. Okay, downtrend. Okay, bank nifty, yes, there is a trend line support here. Okay, if it is fall, if it is breakdown, then we can see a further you know uh, down movement in coming days, right? Okay, next, uh, in this particular slide, I have captured all the stocks of each sector and weightage of that. Okay, you can see this is a bank nifty, and these are the bank banking stocks. Okay, in the same way, reality and reality sectors. Okay, which stock is having a what weightage? 26% DLF, and a Godrej, Loda, like this. Okay, just instead of going all the sectors and stocks, you can just comment with your mail ID. I can share this particular PPT because it is having a more than 60 slides, and it'll take a more time. Instead of that, you can just mention your either you can DM me, you can WhatsApp me if you want this particular PPT, or else you can comment in the comment section. So I'll provide this PPT, and along with the data which I provide, prepare for the sector performance. Okay, and let's go to PSC sector, and I'll explain there how we choose last year how we choose REC PFC. Okay, let's move to PSC. Okay, yeah, I think here. Okay, yeah, okay. You remember last year the PSC sector breakout from the cup pattern. Okay, in that particular time, okay, PFC and REC also breakout from the cup pattern. Okay, that means whenever market is bullish, okay, global market is bullish, Indian market is bullish, so we need to look after the sector which is breaking out from the particular pattern, and we can choose stock from that particular sector. So we can ride that bullish trend for a longer. Okay, for example, uh, let me show you that. Look at this slide. Last year in the month of June, PSC sector is breakout. Same time, REC and PFC also breakout from the cup pattern. This is how we choose these two stocks and trade it. Similarly, in this year, DLF was a breakout, and reality is a complete, a bullish trend for last 2 months. And now there is a weakness in the DLF also, and reality also. So now we have to be either we have to be silent, or if you are a very experienced trader to short the market, then you can short the market also. Okay, and now if in case we consider really media, look at this. It is rejected, you know uh, 3 4 this is a weekly chart. 3 month back it is rejected from the breakout area, and from that it started fall down. That means whenever you want to choose a sector for shorting purpose, okay, we have to choose stock from a weak sector. Out of all the sectors, media is the weak sector. Okay, so we have to choose a stock, weak stock from a a weak sector actually. Okay, this is how we need to be select a strong or a weak stock to buy or sell, shorting purpose. And few stocks which I am trading currently are again REC, because it's this is a strong stock, I am agree, but it's rejected from the 16 daily. And along with that, a few session back, 3 4 session back, I got a trade, like when I check fib retracement, it rejected from the 61% fib. So we shorted this stock at this particular price 480, and we booked around book around 40 point, actually around 80,000, 76,000. I have booked the profit by shorting this one, because this is a weak market. We need to be find out a shorting opportunity. uh, uh, you know uh, that is how we need to be trade actually. If it is a bullish market, then we have to find opportunity for buying, and if it is uh, a weak market, then we have to find out the shorting opportunity. And now the important thing is that it is if in case, only if in case it's take a support from 40, just before also it took a support at 40. Similarly, if in case in coming week, if it take a support at 40, then we can look after a buying opportunity also, because there is a possibility of PRD here, like it is reversing from 60 positive reverse divergence, and along with the 40 support at daily. So there are possibility for buy opportunity also, but we are only trading based on the confirmation, not on the anticipation. Okay, and PFC also same chart. Already it's break the 40, but there is a positive possibility of divergence here, and there is a gap here. Okay, if it is reversed from this reason, then we can see a bullishness. Or else if it is break from a 400 370 price range, then we can see a further fall in PFC also. Okay, DLF, it is at 40 support. If in case we got any buying opportunity at this price range, then definitely we can go for the buy, but with a caution, like it has to give a confirmation, because this is a loud move. And if it is not break, if it is not holding the 40, then definitely we can see a further fall here also. Okay, and Tata Motor, same, it may take a support at 40. In that case, we can trade the upside. If it is breakdown, then we can try to find out a selling opportunity also. Okay, and M&M, and this is a one stock I'm waiting for a selling opportunity actually, because it came inside the channel, right? And it's break already 60 support in a weekly. Okay, so we have to wait for a selling opportunity at this in M&M. If we take a support and start trading above this upper trend line, then definitely we can look after a buying opportunity also. Okay, these are the stock which I'm tracking currently. And if you want to review any other stocks, you can comment in the comment section. I'll review and update on that. And if you like the content, please subscribe. And if you want this PPT or a presentation, you can just you know uh, message me, or you can comment in the comment section, so I can share the presentation and the Excel sheet with you. Okay, thank you guys. Happy trading.